If you want to use your Godox flash with the Canon R50 camera or a Canon EOS R mirrorless camera that has a multifunction shoe, then this video is for you.
Hi everyone, it's Christina from PhotoSprouts here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a very short tutorial which is specifically made for Canon R50 users and Godox flash users. So I used the Godox flashes a lot for my off-camera flash portraits, and I often shoot with a Canon R5 camera. But recently I got a R50 camera. It's really light, and we have recommended this camera to our students, and also we provide this camera in our intermediate workshops. However, it's not possible for the Canon R50 camera to be directly used with a Godox flash without a hotshoe adapter, which means this trigger, which I normally attach on top of a camera like this on a hotshoe, they physically fit on top of each other. However, the flash will not fire, and you will need this hotshoe adapter for the system to work.
I've ordered the hotshoe adapter. It's called the Canon AD-E1. So I have just attached the hotshoe adapter onto my Canon R50 camera. Okay, make sure you lock it. You can add the trigger as usual. Okay, I'm gonna turn the trigger on. I've set the trigger to channel 1, and here, this is my Godox AD-200 flash. It's also on channel 1. There are a few things that you need to take care of inside the camera menu in order for the Godox system to work with the adapter on the R50 camera. In the menu, you need to do this. Okay. On the camera tab, on page 6, you want to set your silent shutter function to off, and make sure your shutter mode is electronic first curtain. All right, so I'm gonna fire. Yep, it fired, you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna show you what happens if you set your silent shutter function to on. Okay, let's try it. It will not fire, okay? Yeah. And what happens if your shutter mode is electronic? Let's try. It also won't fire. So make sure the silent shutter function is off and the shutter mode electronic first curtain. That's how you fire a Godox flash with the Canon hotshoe AD-E1 adapter and a Godox trigger on top of the camera. Also, make sure the channel on your trigger is the same as the channel on your Godox flash. If the flash still doesn't fire, it's probably because the trigger is not slipped all the way into the hotshoe, or maybe the battery is low. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. I tried out the adapter using the Godox X1T trigger, but theoretically, I think it should also work on other Godox products, such as the X Pro trigger and an on-camera flash such as the TT600. For older Canon mirrorless cameras such as the R5 and R6, you do not need the AD-E1 adapter. The Godox products are directly compatible with the camera. If you find this video useful for you to use your Godox flashes on the newer Canon mirrorless cameras, please put down the word flash in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I've ordered the trigger 2 months in advance, and I'm glad that it just arrived before our food photography workshop. We're PhotoSprouts photography workshops in San Francisco and Palo Alto. Equipment is provided for beginners so that they don't have to buy a camera to come to a photography class.